What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you what it's like to drive the 2016 Cadillac ATS-V with, of course, 6-speed manual. So we have keyless entry, we also have keyless ignition. Fob just has to be in the car, and hit the button, roars right to life. So in my opinion, one of the best features of this car with the manual is the auto rev match feature. A lot of purists are going to complain about it, but if you simply want to, you can just turn it off. We actually have it programmed so that when the car starts, it's automatically off, just because my dad prefers to do heel and toe himself. I haven't learned heel and toe yet, so I really like the downshift, and the way that you do it is these paddles right here on the steering wheel. Hopefully you can see them. You just click them to turn them on and off. So I just turned it on because, like I said, they automatically are off when the car turns on. So that is enough talking for now. I'm hoping that the GoPro is going to pick up some good engine noise, because with the downshifts and all, it sounds fantastic. So yeah, let's take it for a ride.